Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another watch review. This time a watch that I have been wearing constantly in the past couple of weeks, especially when I'm at home. It was the go-to watch for me. And if I'm going to the gym or just going out to grab something quick from the supermarket, sometimes I just grab it. As you can see, it's ticking, but it's actually a quartz. So this is the chronograph. You can start, or you can actually stop now because I started before the video, and then restart. So we'll review this watch, and if you're new to this channel, this is an invitation to subscribe, hit the like button. Doesn't cost you a lot, it helps the channel a lot. And yeah, let's get back to the review of this chronograph ML1868 phone from Militado. So starting with the travel case that comes with the watch, you have like a carbon pattern to this plasticky rubbery material. It's between plastic and rubber somehow. We have here Militado on the zipper. You have a place for one watch and place for a couple of straps. It's good because this watch is a strap monster. As I will show you from, this is the strap that comes with it. So this is the NATO strap that comes with it. And I think it comes with other strap options, a little bit more expensive. I chose the NATO because anyways, we'll be changing the strap. So I thought NATO wouldn't hurt. And it's not so bad. I wouldn't say it's the best NATO material, as you can see, the seatbelt nylon material. It's very rugged. I like the bead blasted equipment with it. Other than that, nothing to talk about. I used it maybe once or twice with the watch. Other than that, I switched on several other straps until I ended up with this strap. So let's get down to the specs of the watch. The watch is 40 millimeters, 39 actually, if we want to be exact, 39 millimeters. Lug to lug distance is 46.5. Thickness is around 12. Lug width 20. If you want to look at it here, 20. Yeah. And you get a 316L steel bead blasted case with screws on the push buttons and screw down crown, as you can see. You have the VK67 quartz Seiko movement inside with a ghost date. You can hear it. So you have a ghost date, and then you have in the third position or in the second position in this way, changing the time. And minimal text on the dial, Militado, chronograph, and we have the chronograph. So let me stick this back in. Very smooth to stick in and stick out, to be honest. I have to say the QC on the watch is pretty good for an €80 watch, 85. You have Militado here written on the back. And you have 3 subdials. You have the running seconds subdials and 6 o'clock. You have 60 minutes counter on the 12 o'clock. And you have 12-hour chronograph counter on the 9 o'clock. You have a sapphire crystal with AR coating, which smidges a lot. I don't know why, but it does smidge a lot. And you have an awesome Lume, I have to say. I got back my strong Lume. So you have an awesome 2-color Lume, BJW9 for the hands and indices, and a retro blue Super Luminova for the numerals. It does hold for a couple of minutes, I would say, very strongly, and it holds maybe, let's say, for 20-30 minutes still. I did have a short video looking at the Lume, so be sure to check that out. Militado offers 2 years warranty with the watch, and I have to say, as my only other chronograph, both of them quartz. Here you can see at the end of the day I'm wearing this very nice Adidas retro chronograph on an Artem strap. And here I will put on and that's why I use this strap, because it just looks excellent on the watch. It looks like it's made for the watch. The buckle needs to be changed to bead blasted, but I couldn't be bothered, to be honest, buying a bead blasted one. Maybe I'll just take this one off and put it here. That might be a good idea. Actually, that's a great idea. I will do that after the video. So here we have the Militado ML1868 chronograph on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. From the side, as you can see, excellent fit, I have to say. The size, the shape, the chronograph buttons, everything about the watch I really liked. I didn't enjoy anything. I don't have anything to meck about or complain about, especially that this watch cost only 82, 83 euros. So I cannot complain so much. It has 100 meters water resistant, so it's definitely going to be taken with me on trips for swimming and for aquatic activities. And yeah, I think it feels and looks much more expensive than it is. And it's definitely one of my recommendations if you're looking for a quartz watch, especially a chronograph one under 100 euros or dollars. So be sure to check out their website. I bought this one from AliExpress on a discount campaign that they have. So I got it for 80 something euros. So be sure to check out. They come very often. You can check out their website, but I think it's more expensive than the AliExpress. Sometimes they're less expensive. They do some offers as well. So be sure to keep your eyes open for that. And yeah, if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to subscribe. You'll find the subscription button in the middle and 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.